Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your address online using the Service Ontario's website. The steps are simple and you can complete the entire process in just a few minutes. To start, open your browser and search for Service Ontario address change. You will want to click the link that says something like change your address. And this is the main page where you can begin the process. Don't worry, I will include this direct link in the video description for easy access. Deadline for updating your address is mentioned on this page. For driver's license and vehicle permit, it is within 6 days, and for health card, it is within 30 days. For driver's license and vehicle permit, you need your driver's license number and registrant identification number, issue date on your driver's license. For your health card, you need the following: your health card number and version code, the postal code on your current driver's license, the 9 characters found on the back of your health card. The cost is free and the driver's license will arrive in your mail within 4 to 6 weeks. There will be no delivery. You have to pick it up in person at Service Ontario Centre. Bring your current license and original vehicle permit with you. For health card, there will be no delivery as well. You can keep using your existing health card because there is no address on the physical card itself. You need to update the address on your health card so the Ministry of Health, who administers OHIP, which is Ontario Health Insurance Plan, has your new address on file. So let's get started and click on Change Your Address Online tab. And when you click on that, this new page will open up. On this page, you need to select your health card type. If it's photo health card, you need to select that. Most of the people have the photo health card, so click on that and enter your health card information. You need to enter your health card number, health card version code, the 9 characters on the back of the health card, and your last postal code. Fill out this information very carefully and double check while filling out the numbers. The third step is, do you want to change your address on your driver's license or vehicle permit? Click on yes. When you click on yes, it's going to ask you the following information, which is your driver's license number, driver's license issue date, and driver's license postal code. After filling out this information, hit on verify. The second step is to enter your new residential address. You can enter your address in the search tab and you can put your new mailing address. If it's the same, click on that link and continue. Next step, the third step, is to review your order. Review all your information and click continue. The last step is to add your contact details, that is first name, last name, your email. Confirm your email address and then hit submit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.